Here we are one more week. I am so excited to be one more time with all yours, my dear friend, family, and followers. This community is growing and we are so excited to be sharing one more time with you. This is Luis Rivera and I am a professional dancer, professional makeup artist, 25-year-old experience in theater, TV, and dance. I hope you find information who is important for you, and if not, I hope you have fun having time with us and doing this kind of review. Today we are doing the next review and is Anastasia Beverly Foundation. I hope you'll be ready for my opinion and my rates. Remember, my rates will keep being from 1 to 10 and 6 different qualifications. I hope do you like, and let's start with the setting very soon. Todos mis amigos de habla hispana, gracias por estar una vez más con nosotros, y para los amigos que hablan inglés y en español, espero que les guste este video hablándolo en bilingual, lo que me está confundiendo porque en algún momento no sé lo que estoy diciendo. Entonces, el día de hoy, como escucharon anteriormente, vamos a hacer el review de Anastasia Beverly Hills High End Foundation. Espero que estén listos y recuerden, si quieren ver más información sobre los review que hemos hecho anteriormente, el link va a estar en here. And please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. No se olviden de suscribirse, like and share with all your family, friends and people who follow you. And remember, go and follow on our social media. Thank you so much. And now here we are going to prepare the skin and we start doing the application part. Here we start with the process, how you can see, like every week, and this is the process I will do all time. I am applying in one side of the face with brushes and the other side I will be applying with beauty sponge. I use only 3 shots of the bottle for the full face. I will tell you, this foundation is very light and the way of the application move so easy and have a very nice coverage. It's no high coverage, it's no full coverage, but you can build. Let's see and let's continue to see what happened in the next part. Here you can see the final look for the setting section. Now she's ready for photo shoot, she's ready to Instagram, and is what we are going to do soon, and we go to show you some of the shot. Now enjoy that shot, how she looked right there after we done the makeup. Vean cómo luce ella lista para Instagram. Este es el final look y es lo que va a usar por 10 horas. Veremos cómo funciona y espero que les gusten los siguientes shots. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? Estamos listos para el siguiente review. Este es el check-in after 4 hours. She did a workout. Ella hizo workout después de esta sesión. Entonces vamos a ver cómo se ve right now here. You can see she have a little breakdown, a little here, but the rest of the skin is really impressed. Estoy muy impresionado porque para tener 4 horas haber hecho workout, we did a workout in the park and the park was very sunny. We went almost at 12. I don't know why we were so crazy, but because we was filming too, then it is the two things at the same time. Then she is looking very good for before hours already and sweat already and be outside with all the pollution and all this. Look great. Let's continue. I will let you now with some image and some information about the foundation, and we go straight to the final check-in. Final review and the moment of the rates for me. Then before that I will tell you, remember all time, this kind of review I am doing based on my experience and based off Dilandia skin, which is 3 different things. 1, she have hyperpigmentation. 2, she have texture for acne scarf, and 3, she have a mixed skin. Then she have some part she is oily and other part she is dry. Based on that, remember you need to adapt all that on your own skin. You need to know what type of skin you are, and if you don't know but you have idea about some characteristic on them, you can ask us, leave us a comment, and we can answer your question or your doubt. Si tú tienes alguna pregunta de qué tipo de piel tú eres, nos puedes dejar un comentario y nosotros podríamos ayudarte y asesorarte en eso. Now, ahora vamos a los rates. Remember what I read and the moment you was looking like the final process of the video and the process how I did it, the full makeup, right? Is about what they offer, about what we receive, right? One of the things more important for me and the case on this channel I am looking all the time is long wear, coverage, and flawless, okay? Flawless or setting, whatever you want to call, is why I split in two, and I will give the opportunity to the product to qualify the setting quality after I done the makeup, and I don't want to qualify that at the end because the setting is don't have to be affected for the long wear of the day, right? That can affect it, but the long wear and the coverage can be different. If you give me and you offer me that, I want to receive that, and especially if I will pay the price you are charging me from this, which for example this is almost $40 if you pay taxes, 38 if you buy in some brands and a makeup store, right? Bien, let's start. Si vieron el proceso y lo que mencioné sobre la descripción que ellos nos dan en el website, podrán encontrar que algunas de los rates que yo estoy calificando aquí son en base a lo que ellos nos ofrecen, que son las cosas más comunes que buscamos un professional makeup artist. Entonces, aquí, como les he dicho en las veces anteriores, yo califico la aplicación, el setting, que es la parte cómo luce el maquillaje al final de que yo lo aplico, el coverage, cómo cubre esta foundation, the long last, el tiempo que dura durante el día, el precio y the flawless, el beautiful look que tiene durante todo el día. Application. I will give for application a beautiful 9 of 10. La aplicación le voy a dar un 9 de 10 porque no solo se aplica suave, the application is soft and easy and cover at the moment you are applying and make blend very beautiful with the whatever other product you are using for contouring or highlighting. 2. Setting. At the end of the makeup, oh my god, the skin looks so beautiful. You can create with this foundation the look you want. You can create something very hydrated and very luminous or very dewy, or even you can go for the matte, depend the setting powder you use. Coverage. I will give for coverage, they offer us a medium coverage, and I will tell you, if you know the techniques of correction and how to use the right concealer, you even can transform this and full coverage, which for that reason I will give you 10 of 10 because they really deserve, they give you more than what they are offering because they are very real, and the website they tell you it's a medium coverage. If you use very light, will be medium. If you use double layer or you use a thick layer, you will cover very good side of your skin. Long last, there is my disappointed because they offer the long wear from this foundation. La duración de la foundation is not a duración larga. It's not the long wear for me. I would say after 7 hours, the makeup starts showing a lot of texture and a lot, you know, some patches. I like the person have the freedom, even if they touch a little here or if they clean with the Kleenex, the makeup done will come out, and that you can see. Dylandia have some patch. She start having cracking and the skin start looking so bad and way of the texture. She was unhappy with that. Price is okay for what you receive. Then I will give a 7 of 10. You know what is my opinion. If you don't know, you can go to my older videos and you will see what I say about that, about the prices. Si te interesa saber qué digo acerca de los precios, puedes ir a mis videos anteriores y ahí en los reviews vas a encontrar mi opinión acerca de este tipo de precios. Flawless? No, it's not flawless all day. It's flawless 2-3 hours. That's it. Maybe it can be flawless for somebody. Don't work, don't do nothing, don't sweat, don't transpire. Tal vez va a ser flawless, tal vez va a ser una piel piel de seda para alguien que no hace nada. Si tú eres activa, if you are an active lady or man and you want to use this for longer and you think you will look pretty all day, no. At the end of the day or after 6-7 hours, you will start looking greasy, cracking. If you have texture, if you have hyperpigmentation, that will come through. Then be careful with that part. Okay, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video and you like what you find and the information I am giving to you. And remember, what we want to bring to you is knowledge, trying to find an options. Whatever you like, if you like high-end products, you can go and look for the right high-end product. If you want to save money and you want to use the dupes or the option for drugstore or independent brand who have more affordable prices, presented to you these options too, ok. Esperamos que les haya gustado este video y que hayan encontrado la información necesaria para poder decidir si quieren usar high-end marcas o si quieren usar marcas de farmacia o productos independientes de marcas independientes, en especial para los amigos de habla hispana y latinos. Les quiero informar que ahora hay una cantidad, no grande, pero hay una buena cantidad de productos de creadores latinos, y en especial no solo es que sean creadores latinos, la mayoría de ellas son espectacularmente buenas. Voy a dejar algunos en algunos de mis videos, no se les voy a decir en cuáles, tienen que ir, verlos y buscarlos. Vamos a dejar algunos links de algunas de las marcas de latinos que más me han impresionado y que más me han gustado, y en un futuro muy próximo voy a estar haciendo review acerca de esas brands. And before we leave, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And remember, I want to tell you something I forget to tell for the last videos is, remember, this video is about review about the foundation. Then I don't go to concentrate and give you a step-by-step all the process of the makeup. But if you want to look and you want to check how all these eye look are done, you can go to our IGTV channel and Instagram and some of our Facebook histories. Then you can check the process and the full step-by-step in our IGTV histories and Instagram. Remember, we are by here in our social media. You can see here Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube too. You can follow us and all. And remember, don't forget to comment and send us message, and we are near to go to our first giveaway, and we can wait to share with you that big gift if you help us to grow this community. Thank you so much to be with us. And remember, like all time, we want to share with you happiness. We want to share with you the best thing in the world. And now I want to leave you with this thinking every week with us is, remember, the highest form of knowledge is empathy. Y para todos ustedes, amigos, gracias por estar una vez más con nosotros, y queremos dejarlos con este mensaje una vez más para que este fin de semana lo disfruten llenos de amor, de energía positiva con todas las personas y los seres que los rodean y los aman. Recuerden que la forma más grande de conocimiento es la empatía. Por favor, amigos, en estos tiempos lo que más necesitamos es ser empáticos con el de al lado, con tu esposa, con tu novia, con tus padres, con tus hermanos, amigos, e incluso con los desconocidos, porque no sabemos qué es lo que está viviendo el de al lado. Esperamos haberles brindado un poco de alegría y un poco de entretenimiento durante estos 10 a 15 minutos. See you in the next. Y aquí hay más videos para que sigan viendo. Los invitamos a que continúen con nosotros. Bye.